guys. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa may sushi. Dito sa may sushi shop. Alright. Sushi Japan shop. So, tara mag-juice tayo. So, maraming mga design. Ang daming mga flavor. Ayan o, ang sushi ng Japan. Hanap tayo ng masarap. Kasi all like that. Punta tayo din sa baba kaya. Alright. So, pili-pili tayo. So, which one? Oh, here. This one. $20. The salmon. We're gonna look for the salmon. Oh, this is salmon. Ang daming mga flavor dito, guys. Meron din yung salmon pure salmon lang siya. Maybe this one. This $81. Okay, we're gonna look the other one. Oh, where? Sister, that's mine na.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay, I get this one. Okay, and then I get this one. Then I'm gonna pay here. Magbayad na tayo. Alright. This is salmon?
Yes, salmon.
Okay. So it's $81.
$120.
120, okay.
Do you have a YU membership?
No, I don't have.
Okay.
Can I order? Can I have that? Can I have the membership?
Is that what?
The membership
Of the YU.
Why you? Yeah, I have. Okay, wait Right, so ito na yung nabili kong sushi. Malinis na yung kamay ko. Nag-wash ako kanina. Steam natin to, guys. Para mas masarap. Kasi medyo malamig. Ayan. Sushi with salmon to. Right. So, malinis na yung kamay ko. Nag-wash ako. Ayan, lagay natin to. Alright. Right. At ito pa yung isa. This is with cheese naman to. Right. So, ayan siya. Ilipat natin dito. Para its side. So, this is salmon. Yeah. Nalaglag. Alright. So, ito yung with andito, seafoods din siya. Yan. Lagay natin siya dyan. Steam natin siya, guys. Para mas yummy. Alright. Perfect. So, ito lang ang aking lunch today. So, ayan. Ayusin natin. Alright. So, tagdadalawang hilera siya. Right? Then, later on, steam din natin to. Hindi pa siya kumukulo. Alright, kumulo na siya. Ilagay na natin. I-steam na natin. Yee! Ayan. For 10 minutes. Alright? Alright, it's already 10 minutes. Yay! in na, nilagay ko na rin yung salmon. In-steam ko na rin siya. So, kinagat ko yung isa. Medyo hilaw. Kaya in-steam ko. Ayan. Ayoko ng hilaw. Perfect. Bye! Yan ang result ng pagbili ko.